Hi, my name is Bill, and in this 3-minute video we're going to take a quick look at the new RV site being planned along the shore of Lake Erie here in Geneva, Ohio. It's in the northeast corner of the state. We're taking off from a parking lot area just west of the site and flying over a creek here, and going to take a look at where there used to be cabins, log cabins for people to stay in. Now you can see the pads on this side of that road. Those are new pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's about 6 new places, and the ones on the far side of the road, those were places where the cabins used to be, which they disassembled or actually put on trailers and moved down to southern Ohio. There's a restroom facility that they just built and stuck there in the middle of the screen, which sort of, when I think about it, is a little confusing because so far as I know, most of these newer RVs have got restrooms and showers and all that stuff built right into them, but perhaps it's a state law that they have to have some kind of facility like that anywhere where there's a campground. So you can see the lake looks calm, but there was a little bit of a stiff breeze, which you'll be able to see when we turn around, and you'll see some of the waves coming in and breaking on the shoreline. That little structure there used to be the commissary for people to go and pick up sundry items that they might have needed that they didn't bring with them when they were out here before in the cabins, but they're going to turn that into sort of a environmental center now. That was at least what the park attendant told me. So here we're flying back towards where we took off from. You can see the waves breaking on shore. Not really big. I think the winds were maybe 10 miles an hour out of the north. Lake temperature was like 35 or 36 degrees Fahrenheit, so even though the air temperature was supposed to be 50 to 55 on this day, when you're this close to the lake and the lake is that temperature with a north wind, it's not it's not going to be the temperature that's advertised. So we were going to fly it back through those trees and land it, but since this is the first time we're flying the Evo 1 this year, we wanted to check things out, and it's a good thing I did because we had a battery fail on when I first took off, so I had to land it and start to shoot over again with a new battery. Anyways, we're going to back it in here as we usually do and land it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. We shot 3 videos this day, so there will be more coming up fairly soon. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.